Hello once again, this is Coco Rico. For this video po, pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa bagong DepEd Order number 14 series of 2025 na inilabas noong May 8, 2025. Ito po ay tungkol sa load allowance ng ating mga DepEd personnel. Ayan, mula po sa central office hanggang sa school level. Narito po sa table makikita natin ang mga designations at ang kanilang mga new monthly ceiling for load allowance. Ang mga DepEd personnel po or eligible officials and employees ay kailangan na mag-register po ng isang number lamang as their official number. Isang mobile number lang po ang allowed for the purpose of reimbursement regardless of whether the ceiling has been fully consumed or not. Ang pagbabayad po o reimbursement ng ating communication expenses shall be based on the number of days of actual work performance isang buwan. For example, kung ang total number of days ng actual work performance in a month ay 1 to 5 days, ang communication expenses for the month ay 25% lamang po. Kung 6 to 11 ay 50%, 12 to 16 ay 75%, at 17 and more ay 100% po of the monthly communication expenses. Para naman po sa mga nagta-travel local and abroad, pwede din po nila itong isama sa days of actual work performance in a month, provided na meron silang travel order and other travel documents na may pipresent. Ang atin din pong mga personal designated as OIC or in acting capacity for a position eligible for communication expenses shall observe also the guidelines for communication expenses. So yung mga designated OIC natin ay nakapag-render ng 15 days or less as OIC, sila po ay hindi entitled for communication expenses. Pero kung sila ay na-designate for 16 calendar days or more, sila po ay entitled to the maximum monthly communication expenses for the position that he or she is designated to, subject to actual performance of work. And for the documentary requirements po, syempre kailangan natin ng statement of account or bill, invoice or official receipts, or machine validated statement of accounts, then certification that indicates that actual number of days of work performance isang buwan. At kailangan din po natin ng duly signed daily time record. For enforcement naman ng communication expenses incurred during officials local and foreign travel, a certificate of travel completed must be attached. At yan po ang ilan sa mga importanteng detalye na nakapaloob dito sa ating DepEd Order. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow my page and channel, Coco Rico.